What if you could start a fun mobile business in just 7 days and make around $55 an hour entertaining kids and families? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a bubble party business step by step, even if you've never owned a business before. A bubble party business is a mobile entertainment service where you bring giant bubbles, bubble machines, music, games, and interactive fun to birthday parties, schools, festivals, daycare centers, and community events. The best part? You don't need a storefront. You can run this business from your car, your garage, or even part-time on weekends. Parents are always searching for affordable entertainment ideas for kids. Bubble parties are low startup cost, easy to learn, mobile, fun for all ages, perfect for weekends. You can charge anywhere from $150 to $300 for a 1 to 2 hour party. That's why many people earn over $55 an hour doing this part-time. Here's your basic starter checklist. Giant bubble wands, bubble solution, portable bubble machine, small speaker for music, plastic tubs or buckets, towels and water containers, business cards or flyers, a simple logo, and social media page. You can start with around $200 to $500 depending on how professional you want your setup to look. Choose a fun and easy name like Bubble Blast Parties, Magic Bubble Fun, Happy Bubble Events. Order your bubble supplies online or from local party stores. Spend one afternoon learning giant bubbles, bubble tricks, bubble games, crowd interaction. Post short videos of your bubbles. Parents love visual content. Do one event for free or at a discount to get photos, reviews, and videos. Leave flyers at daycare centers, schools, churches, community centers, playgrounds. Now start taking bookings for birthdays and summer events. You can increase your income by offering glow bubbles at night, bubble machines, music and games, themed parties, festival packages, school events. You can also upsell longer party times. Here's a simple beginner pricing idea. 1 hour party equals $150, 2 hour party equals $250, festival events equals $300 plus. Even just 2 parties every weekend can create a solid side income. If you want a fun business that's affordable, family-friendly, and easy to start, a bubble party business could be perfect for you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment bubbles below. Good luck starting your business.